Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this world, millions of people wake up every morning and live the same life. They go where the crowd goes. They think what the crowd thinks. They dream what the crowd dreams. But somewhere among them is one person who feels different. A person who is tired of waiting. A person who is tired of excuses. A person who is tired of depending on others. That person decides to walk alone. Getting rich alone does not mean hating people. It means understanding that your future cannot be built by anyone else. It means standing on your own feet when nobody claps for you. It means believing in your vision when nobody understands it. This is the story of that journey. Chapter 1. The first step is loneliness. The moment you decide to change your life, you become alone. Your friends still talk about fun. You start thinking about the future. Your family still hopes for safety. You start dreaming about freedom. They will not understand you, not because they are bad, but because they are comfortable. Comfort is the one prison. It feels safe, but it kills dreams. Loneliness is cold, but it makes you strong. When you walk alone, you begin to hear your own thoughts. You begin to know your own fears. You begin to meet your real self. And that is where growth begins. Chapter 2. Silence is the language of the strong. The world loves noise. People shout their plans. They post their dreams. They announce their goals. But the voice walks quietly. Silence protects your energy. Silence protects your focus. Silence protects your vision. When you work in silence, you are not distracted by opinions. You are not haunted by doubt. You are not slowed by comparison. A farmer does not shout at his seeds. He waters them quietly, and one day they grow. So plant your dreams in silence and let time reveal them. Chapter 3. Discipline becomes your shadow. Motivation is like rain. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it disappears. Discipline is like the sun. It rises every day. Discipline means choosing what is hard today instead of what is easy now. It means waking up early when your body begs for sleep. It means studying when your mind wants distraction. It means working when your heart feels tired. Discipline is painful at first, but freedom is beautiful forever. Those who master discipline master their destiny. Chapter 4. The mind is your first kingdom. Before you conquer the world, you must conquer your mind. Your thoughts shape your actions. Your actions shape your habits. Your habits shape your future. If your mind is weak, money will destroy you. If your mind is strong, money will follow you. Fill your mind with books instead of gossip, skills instead of excuses, ideas instead of fear. Your brain is the most powerful machine you own. Do not use it only for survival, use it for creation. Chapter 5. Failure is a teacher, not a judge. On this road, you will fail many times. You will try and lose. You will build and fall. You will trust and break. Failure will whisper, stop. Fear will shout, you can't. But wisdom will say, learn. Every failure teaches something, patience, Humility, strength, direction. The man who never fails never tries. The man who keeps trying eventually wins. Pain is not punishment, it is preparation. Chapter 6. Stop waiting for hands to hold you. Most people wait for help, a friend, a mentor, a miracle, but the road to wealth is walked alone. No one can feel your hunger. No one can see your vision. No one can carry your burden. You must be your own hero, your own teacher, your own army. When you stop waiting for others, you start becoming powerful. Responsibility is heavy, but it makes you tall. Chapter 7. Time is your true gold. Money can be lost and found. Time once lost is gone forever. Every minute you waste is a piece of your future destroyed. Use time like a weapon to learn, to build, to grow. To improve while others scroll, you study while others sleep. You create while others complain. You move forward. Time does not respect wishes, it respects action. Chapter 8. Patience builds empires. Success is not fast, it is slow and quiet. The seed grows underground before it reaches the sky. Many quit when results are invisible. They do not trust the process, but legends are made by those who wait and to work day by day, step by step, brick by brick. Patience is not weakness, it is power under control. Final chapter. The true meaning of getting rich alone. Getting rich alone is not just money. It is becoming someone unbreakable, someone who does not fear loneliness, someone who does not beg for approval, someone who does not depend on applause. It is about building a life where your dreams are paid for by your discipline. It is about becoming the person you once needed. Work alone if you must, study alone if you must, fight alone if you must, but never stop. Please like and subscribe.